Okay. Yeah. Good morning. So I'm from Lens Network, which is the League of Advanced European Neutron Sources. So I'm from Watson Center, ULIS Center for Neutron Science, JCNS. So coming to some special features of neutron, why it's so important. So neutrons offer us some wavelength which is similar to the atomic spacing, so we can have structural information in the atomic scale. It offers us to have thermal energy close to the atomic energy, so we can have information about dynamics. Like here you can see different techniques available to dynamics, and you can see that neutron has very small energy, so you can have the dynamics from molecule or atom using like different spectroscopic techniques, spin echo or backscattering or time of flight spectroscopy. So neutron also act as a small magnet, so you can resolve magnetic structure. Neutron can see the nucleus, so it's sensitive to light elements, and we can do contrast variation using different isotopes, and they are neutral, so it's have high penetration, but they are non-destructive. So as I said, we are only institute which are offering neutron, and so this is Watson Center Munich, but all the instrument and the reactor are in Garching, which is close to Munich. So in this network, we offer 6 different instruments, which are KWS-1, KWS-2, Maria, Birdie, Poly, and Heidi. So coming to the first one, small angle neutron scattering technique. So we have 2 different spectrometers, KWS-1 and KWS-2. So they are based on cold neutron source, and these are quite big instruments. You can see 20-meter collimation, 20-meter detection, and these two neutron instruments complement each other. Like for KWS-1, you can do magnetic study, and in KWS-2, we have like recently we have installed this once detector, so you can do SUNS, you can do once, that is wide angle neutron scattering, and also with using this focusing lens, you can go to ultra small angle range. So from ultra small angle to XRD range, you can detect using only one instrument. And these 2 instruments provide different sample environments. So you can do RIO-SUNS, top flow measurement, magnetic SUNS, high temperature measurement, pressure cell robotics arm, and recently it's installed 48 sample position. We can do also chromatography SUNS and many more. The focused research for these 2 instruments are mainly based on colloids, magnetic nanoparticles, some G-SUNS measurement, nanomedicine, different soft matter materials, and food science. So if you want to have more information, you can So you can visit this. you can visit this website. So coming to the next technique, that is neutron reflectometry. So we have a very strong neutron reflectometer that's called Maria magnetic reflectometer with high incidence angle. So this instrument offers Bruker electromagnet up to 1.3 Tesla. So offer also polarized and non-polarized neutron, and able to measure off-specular and specular and off-specular neutron reflectometry. So you can have information from the depth of the material and also along the surface. And so focused research for this instrument are based on this thin film study, soft matter, and biomaterials. So for more information, you can visit this website. So the next one is a single crystal diffractometer, which called BioDiff. So this has unique features, like one can choose the wavelength from 1.85 to 5.3 angstrom. So you can adjust this wavelength according to your unit cell. And this instrument offers study for different biomolecules like protein and DNA. And please visit for more information this website. So, and finally we have 2 different diffractometer. These were based on hot neutron. So the previous 4 instruments were studied mostly soft matter and also some of the hard matter sample, but these 2 diffractometer are mostly meant for hard matter sample. So this Heidi is a very high flux diffractometer, which offers study for multiferroic superconductor and rare earth material, and also offer high pressure cell, cryostat furnace, etc. And then we have another diffractometer with hot neutron that's called Poly, and it offers also some polarization study and also magnetic structure. So these are two websites for this instrument, and I would like to acknowledge these people who provide me their instrument slide, and thank you for your attention.